What's up guys, Cheap Beast aka Noah back today bringing another video. This time we're finally doing some office updates and a tour at the end of this video. There's some stuff I wanted to do for this office. Obviously everything behind me isn't going to be changing. The stuff you guys see in every video, the dual monitors, the TV, and the sneaker walls are still going to be staying there just because there's not a ton I can do over here. I've already painted everything. Other than changing like my desk completely, there's really not a ton I can do over here. But the rest of the office is getting a little bit of updates. There's a huge update which you guys will see in a second. And then I'm just adding a few accessories that I picked up over some time that I've just been kind of too lazy to put up. So we're finally doing some of that stuff. Like I said, there will be a tour of the whole office at the end, and you guys will see what's going on in this whole video. So hopefully I change up the office and make it a lot better. I haven't obviously done any of this stuff. Everything basically in this office is from Ikea. That's just kind of where I pick everything up because it's fairly reasonable pricing and it's pretty easy to build. So I have some more Ikea stuff to put in the office, and let me show you guys a little bit of before of the office. So over here, I haven't actually showed you guys. If you guys watched the last video, you kind of saw these shelves. Just have a bunch of stuff on there, just some floating shelves. You got the off-white Ikea clock, and then just some other random like figurines and Supreme stuff. And then we got the futon, and this is actually one of the things we need to do, the Supreme skate deck. I have the little things to hang it like right there probably. I think that's where we're gonna put it. Just something cool that I decided to pick up and want to put it there. And then this is the area that is gonna have the most work. So right now there's just these two like cheap shelves from Ikea, but we're gonna be changing that up. Obviously there's a ton of stuff on there. Got really into some sports cards recently, so I have too many boxes of that. And then obviously a ton of sneakers. Got even some pickups on the ground that I haven't gone through yet. Plus, if you guys have noticed, I haven't actually ever finished these, the like custom sneakers I was doing. I need to finish those one day and then hand them off. But I bought something from Ikea, basically a big one of these things. This is another thing that you guys haven't seen yet. Then we got another art there, but by like an 8x8 or 6x8 of this cube right here, we're gonna be putting right there in that area. So it'll clean up this area. I won't have sneakers on the ground. There's some stuff I need to sell, some packing material. So hopefully that'll look a lot better. And obviously you guys can see the full setup there, everything. And there's a ton of cables I need to organize. But we're gonna be showing you guys some time lapse of building this thing and hanging up the Supreme deck. And then I'll show you guys an actual tour of the office afterwards. So guys, we're just gonna build the big shelving unit, which is gonna take a while. Hopefully we'll get this done in a fairly decent amount of time. So 4 boxes and 2 outfit changes later, we got an L bill, and hopefully it fits in the office. I think I measured it, and I'm not really sure, but there's a lot of parts to go, so we'll keep going.
You're gonna fit through the door?
What?
You're gonna fit back through the door and stuff?
Quick update, not the smartest. I have to move everything in this room. That's why the shelves are now gone in here. My fiance mentioned that it probably wouldn't fit through the door, so now we're building it in here, and should have realized that sooner. But at least I got everything over there cleared, and that's where we'll be going. So see you in the next one. So after like 4 hours or something like that, not even, maybe like 3 hours, we finally got the shelf done. It's kind of a pain, not gonna lie. The office is not really big enough for it, but we got a nice 6x6 cubes that we have to fill up with everything that we took off the other ones, and probably a lot more. Gonna be a lot of sneakers in there and stuff. It's finally done. We still got a lot more to do. Not a lot more. There's a couple more things I would like to hang up, make it look better, but the big part's done. Now we gotta decorate it. So we finally got everything built. It's honestly been like probably 2 weeks since I've had everything built in this office, but I was waiting on a few things. I was actually waiting on these, the lights behind me. There's actually 3 more on the top row, but we're gonna probably fill in a few more down at the bottom. So I was waiting on these lights to come in, and I just really didn't feel like filming the rest of the video because I had it. So finally got the shelves up. We're still kind of organizing everything. There's still like some random stuff in here. I mean, like this stuff kind of needs to go away. The one right behind me probably should move around. So I have some more adjusting stuff to do here, but I was waiting on these lights finally to come in, and then we can change color, stuff like that. So that was a cool addition I finally added, but I'm really happy with how everything turned out. The shelves really nice. Since it's been probably like 2 weeks, I've obviously lived with them. At first I didn't really like it, thought they were too bulky. Now I'm just really used to them. I think they look a lot better than the previous shelves. And then skateboard deck, I just like it on the wall. I feel like I need to add a few more things over there, but as of right now, the office is basically finished. Obviously there's some cable management and stuff like that I need to do, and probably add some more lights on here, but it's like 99% of the way done, which I'm pretty happy about. Obviously, like I said, everything is kind of from Ikea, as you guys saw. I was building the whole thing. The only thing that's not from Ikea is like the skateboard deck and the mounts for that. But everything else in this office is from Ikea. So if you guys want to pick up a lot of stuff, I'll try to link stuff below from Ikea. A lot of it's like sold out. I think I got the last one of these when I did pick up this shelf. And the floating shelves were out of stock forever. So maybe one day everything will be back in stock. But I'm really happy with the office. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of the office right now, and maybe some stuff I can add. Maybe I'll use this as a set for some other videos too, because I do like how it looks on video, and it's got more stuff, especially more sneaker related stuff behind me. So thank you guys for watching. Let me know in the comments what you think of this, and yeah, I'll see you guys later.